We won't be talking about the hardware upgrades Samsung made to its flagship phones when the newest Galaxy S24 phones are unveiled at the forthcoming Galaxy Unpacked event on Wednesday, January 17th. Instead, if reports are true, it will be the software that will capture everyone's attention, notably the new features backed by Samsung's push into artificial intelligence. It's no secret that the Galaxy S24 will prioritize AI capabilities. Even while it hasn't verified particular features, Samsung has previously said that AI would be a significant focus of its next major phone release. According to Avi Greengard, chief analyst at Text Exponential, Samsung has been pretty upfront in their advanced marketing that AI would be employed for increased photography features. Expect Samsung to dedicate a large portion of its Galaxy Unpacked presentation to delving into the intricacies of its AI features, and when it does, we should have a clearer picture of how profoundly AI will affect how we use our smartphones. Samsung has high expectations for what it plans to unveil. Galaxy AI is our most complete intelligence offering to date, and it will permanently redefine how we think about our phones, according to Samsung. When Samsung announced its AI plans last November, Jun Choi, an executive vice president and head of R&D for Samsung's mobile experience business, promised that new AI features would be coming to Galaxy phones in early 2024, a pretty clear indication that these capabilities would debut on the Galaxy S24 lineup. In general, Samsung said that AI incorporated into the phones will allow barrier-free communication. Improved productivity and unrestricted creativity specifics were few, but Samsung did provide one clear illustration of what it hopes to do using AI. The business detailed a new function dubbed AI Live Translate Call, in which you would be able to hold a phone conversation with someone on the other end of the line who speaks a different language than you. Both voice and text translations will happen in real time, and the results will display on your Galaxy device's screen, eliminating the need to use a third-party translation software. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.